So guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm gonna talk about the trade management Excel file on how to set your stop loss, what should be your quantity, what should be your targets, 1:1 ratio, 2:1 ratio, how much percent you should lose on your pricing. Simple thinking, nothing big long video, a short 10 minutes video I'll make it, and let's start with it quickly. So I've chosen one stock, that is escorts right now. Why have I chosen it? You can simply see a short price action over here. If you see this point, it has been given multiple reversals from this point. Okay, so you can see when it came into this range, test 1, test 2, and it's third point. So mostly third point it breaks down or breaks up, whatever it is. So we are gonna trade on this stock. Let's say, like, I'm not gonna tell you that go and trade on this stock, but if we take a trade on this stock, that's how we are going to trade, I'll tell you. So let's say my entry, like my calculation says you have to enter on 1160 rupees. Okay, now what you have to do is, okay, you mark your entry point. I myself mark my entry point with blue lines because it is more easier to look out, because multiple you also draw some lines like this, like okay, resistance line, and I mark resistance line with white or yellow, and my targets have been marked in green. My stop loss has been marked in red. So in whatever videos you see, red lines are my stop losses and green lines are my targets. Okay, so simply you have to go into my description, and there you will find the Excel file. You have to download it and open it. Okay, then you will find this Excel file. You can simply read over here, only edit blue color text. So you have to only edit this 4 parts. So what you have to do is, first of all, put your account size over here. What account size is, how much money you wanna put into intraday trading or whichever trading, swing trading, whichever you want. So let's say I wanna put 50K on this trade, like on I have 50K on my account. Okay, so next thing you have to do is percentage loss, like how much percent you should lose. So practically every book and everything suggests that you should not lose more than 2%, and in intraday maximum 3% on options and everything. But I'll say set it to 2. Don't risk it, as everyone is new to the market, and you should stick it to 2%, not more than that. So obviously the percent of stop loss has been set to 2%, practically default. So your loss per trade will be 1000 rupees. Okay, so what basically it is telling that if you hit your stop loss, you'll lose 1000 rupees and not more than that on a single trade. Okay, on not the whole all trades. On a single trade you'll lose 1000 rupees. Now simply you have to put your share price. So what, as we counted over here, 1160, you put it 1160. You put this, you change these 3 things. Your account says obviously you have to change only one time, and percent loss also one time. You have to only change this 2 things every time, the share price and capital used in one trade. Now capital used in one trade, what this capital is, basically I'm not counting the MIS thing, like I'm not counting the leverage. Okay, what I'm doing is, let's say I want to buy this thing normally. Okay, I don't want to take leverage. Like obviously you don't get leverage on swing trades on most of the brokerages. You get practical leverage, but that's on interest and everything. I don't count that. You have to put the actual price. Let's say I want to put in some around 40K on this trade. Okay, why 40K? Because obviously if I'm an intraday trader, I'll take more, like I can put 40K as I'm getting leverage. Because if I, let's say I get 40K, 60K, 70K leverage, so I'm only putting around 7K, 8K on the trade. Okay, so let's put it, like, let's go for somewhere around on leverage. I'd say 70K would be good, as on a 10x, 9x leverage we'll pay around 8K. Okay, so it's put 70K. Now simply go to calculator. I'll not suggest you to put 70K on a leverage side if you have 7K capital. You guys can see I'm only risking it when my account says 50K. Okay, then I'm using this. This includes leverage. Now you'll say account says 50K, how you'll bring more 20K. Okay, so that is because we get leverages. Okay, so I'm not gonna use the whole leverage. Like I'm not gonna go 50K and then use 5 lakh leverage. And I'm normally go using this normal leverage, that is around my account size. Let's say it is around 10%, 14%, somewhere over that. So 70K, you're gonna go open a calculator. 70K divide by your share price. That is our share price is 1160. Divided, what comes in is 60.34. Now how many shares you will buy? Now everyone in maths class have been studied about averaging a number. So remember one thing, whenever the number is below 50, we're going to average it to 0. Whenever the number is above 50, we're going to average it to 1. So obviously 35 is below 50, so we're going to average it to 0. So what comes in it? 60. So put 60, like number of shares that came in 60 into again a share price 1160. Done. So 69,600. Copy this, come back to this trade. On your capital used in one trade, paste it, edit it, like I mean, you get perfectly everything. Total number of shares 60. Your stop loss should be 16.66. Target 1 should be 16. Target 2 be 13. Now again the same thing. What you have to do is average these numbers. How you will average is obviously 66 is above what we say 5, so we'll average it to 17. Target 1 will be also 17 and target 2 will be 33. Like one edit you can do is either just average your stop losses to 0. Okay, so you'll lose some less amount, but what happens is you can like easily hit your stop loss, but I'll not suggest that. But if you want to play a bit safer game, you can average this to also 0. So if you average this to 0, it will come to 16, but let's do it normal way. 17 rupees stop loss, 17 rupees target. Target 2 is 33 rupees, as it is 0.33, so 0, it's below 5, so we'll average to 0. Also here I have given the targets, share target 1, share target 2. So let's put it now on the again coming back to calculator. 1160 minus 17, it comes 1143. So we'll set 43 over here is our stop loss. Okay, and your target is 1176, that we are going to average it to obviously as we put in 17. So 177, it will come over somewhere over here. Okay, this is our target 1, and our target 2 is going to be 1193, as we are going to average this to 0, like 0.33 to 1193. 1193. Done. That's it for your trades. This is how you're gonna average and everything do your trades. So it is easy, like this targets could be easily hit. On an intraday base, if you're into swing trading, you have to obviously not use more than 50% of your capital in a single swing trade. So your targets will be big and your stop loss will also be increased. Like points will be increased, but the loss per trade will be same. Only the total number of shares will decrease. So stop loss will increase and targets will increase. That's it. Nothing critical. So this is how you will do it for intraday. If you hit your stop loss, you'll only lose 1,000 rupees. If you hit your target 1, you'll make 1,000 rupees. And if you hit your target 2, you'll make 2,000 rupees. Like I'm giving you a round figure, you'll probably not make 2,000 rupees on this point, and you'll not make 1,000 rupees on this point. Whichever, sometimes it, like if we count it properly, so it will be 17 into our shares is 60. So you'll make 1020 on target 1, and next is 33 into 60. So you'll make 1980 on the target 2, like this one. Kind of that this happens because of rounding off, because you can't just put that point things. So that's how I trade. This is what I use, and I hope this is helpful for you guys too. And that's it. And for same as for swing trade, just make your capital whichever, like let's say on, I'm gonna have a swing trade on this time. Now what I'll do is just edit it to 50%. So around 50% is 25k. So 25k divided by 1160. So it will be 21.55. So 22 into 1160. We copy it. Okay, I'll copy it. I'll paste it here. Again, my targets, my stop loss, targets 2, targets 3, everything has been edited. Okay. So why this happened? Like target and stop loss are very big, but still you can see like the number of shares has been decreased. Your anyway your stop loss, you'll only lose this amount on a account size of this on a 2% rate. Okay, that's it. And coming on to short position, what you're gonna do is then just don't focus on this thing. Just focus on target 1, target 2, this points, and just like edit these positions. Like let's say I want to go short on this stock, so my target 1 is 17 rupees. So this will let's say this will become my target, that is 143 will be my target one. Let me edit it. And my target 2 will be 1160 minus 33, so 1127. My target 2 will be 127. This will be my target 2, and my stop loss will be what my stop loss is 70 rupees, so 170, 177. Yeah, so this is how you go to short positions. I've not added the short positions over here because that's a critical way to do things, because you can mess up on the long, short and long side. Better just stay to long side. Just add the points, make the points reverse, and you'll get your like short positions on intraday. And obviously on swing trade you can't short any position. So well and good. On swing trade I've shown how to put your swing trade things. So that is for the video. Thank you for watching. And one more thing, I'm not suggesting you to buy escorts or everything or short escorts. We'll have another video for all the membership people on what stocks we should enter on intraday, and also we'll have the new reports for swing trade people for a new swing trade. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comments or on my Discord server. Thank you. Bye.